everyone, it's Ali here from alisblog.ca. So you may have watched my recent haul, but if you didn't, it was a Zoya haul, and I actually shared all of these products in a mystery box that I got, so I told you a little bit about that. So yeah, I'm gonna actually use the products in a video today. Sorry, that was a totally bad introduction. But anyways, so I'm going to be using all of these products, or most of them anyways, and I'm going to demo them and kind of tell you my thoughts on them and see if I like them, and if I don't, which I'm probably going to like them because I usually like Zoya stuff. But anyways, we're going to try them out, and I'm going to test them all kind of in front of you so you can kind of get a look at them and maybe see something that you're interested in. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so we're first going to start with the Cutica Solid Gold Cuticle Oil Gel with Tea Tree Oil. So I'm going to start with this one. I got this in my mystery box, and this is $12 American. So we're going to try this out. So that is what the bottle looks like. It is 4 grams, 0.5 ounces. And yeah, let's do this. The oil is pretty good. It absorbed pretty fast and seems nice. Gives a nice shine to your nails, and your skin looks nice, so we'll see how it goes. Now I'm going to swatch up the 4 nail polishes that I got and kind of try to decide which one I actually want to apply to my nails. So I have 4 different ones here. So the ones I actually ordered is Alice, Alicia, and Finley. So I ordered these ones myself, so I got the deal that I ordered 3 polishes, and then I got that mystery box free. And then I got Brighton actually in my box. So I'm going to swatch them just on my nails and just show you kind of what they look like. So first up is Alice. Alright, next we're going to do Alicia. I know a lot of you will probably say like Alicia, but my name is actually Alicia, and it's spelled that way, so we're going with Alicia. That's kind of why I wanted this polish. Ooh, this one is really nice too. I like that too. Alright, so I'm going to let these kind of dry a little bit, and then we'll do a second coat. Alright, so that is 2 coats of each color. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I'm feeling Alicia and Alice. I don't know, they're really, really pretty. So yeah, there is that. Alright, so this is the 3-in-1 Formula Remover Plus Nail Polish Remover Nail Cleaner and Nail Prep. Extended polish wear guaranteed. Color lock step number 1. So I'm going to start with this. It is 2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters, and this one cost $4.60 American. So we're going to open it up. Oh, I gotta fix that. Alright, so it's purple, and we're going to test it out on these. Alright, I'm impressed with this, so I will definitely try it out a little bit more with more layers of polish and stuff like that, but seems pretty good so far. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the next steps of this, and yeah, we'll get back. Alright, so now that I picked the color I want and my nails are prepped, I'm going to start by using the Naked Manicure Naked Base. And this is $12 American, and Zoya's polishes are Big 5 free. So that's usually pretty good. They don't have any bad stuff in them. So I'm just going to do this. So that is the Perfector in Lavender, and this one is $10 American. So we're going to put that one on next, and also this one is the Big 5 free. So yeah, not really much color to it. It looks a little bit more, I guess, cloudier kind of on the nail than just the base coat, but I'm gonna go ahead and do all the rest of my nails and see how it dries. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm actually gonna be using these are the Speed Dry Drops, Fast Drops. It says it dries, polish fast, and ends bubbling. It says Zoya. This one is number 5, I guess. I don't know if that's step 5 or if it's supposed to be 5 free. But it says that it has dimethicone, something, I can't read, camellia oil extract. So that's what it looks like. And then it also comes with a little dropper for you to put in the bottle. And then this one is $8 American. Okay, so I think the 5 means it dries in 5 minutes. So it says Zoya Fast Drops, bubbly preventing, speed drops, sets, polish in just 5 minutes. Camellia oil provides UV protection, cuticle condition, and a brilliant shine. So there you go. It dries your nails pretty fast in 5 minutes. That's pretty decent. But it doesn't say when you should apply it. Let me check the box. Okay, so I looked it up on their website, and it doesn't actually say a time that you can put it on, so you can, I guess, basically paint your nails and then use this oil, because it didn't actually say a time. It just says like a drying time. So it says to use the dropper and kind of tilt it towards your finger, and then apply 1 or 2 drops, and it's supposed to help dry your nails and extend them, etc. But yeah, it doesn't say how long you're supposed to wait, so... But it says 1 to 2 drops. So we're gonna try it with the coat. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do 3 of my fingers with the Alicia polish, and then I'm gonna do... Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you in, and we're gonna use those fast drying drops. I don't know if I told you the price of them. They are $8 American. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm just gonna put it in the dropper and set to tilt your nail kind of, and I'm just gonna drop, I guess, 2 drops. And I guess you have to wait 5 minutes and we'll see if our nails are completely dry. I just painted this nail, so I'm gonna drop it. And I'm just gonna, oops, that didn't go on the nail. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So while those are drying, the time is 9:48. I'm doing this at night. I am gonna wait 5 minutes and we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, we're gonna paint the other. Alright, so my nails are completely dry, and I used the fast dry drops again, and it worked well for using 2 coats. So there you go. Now I'm going to move on to the Naked Manicure Glossy Seal. This is the top coat, and this is $12, I believe, too. Yep. So $12 American for this one. So we're going to test this out and see how it works. So far, I am pretty impressed with all of the Zoya polishes, and everything is working great, which I pretty much expected because Zoya is usually a pretty good brand. I love these nail polishes. They're gorgeous. Like, I'm so impressed with these. And this is going on nice. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about all the different things that I got, that I ordered and I got in my mystery box. So I would definitely recommend all of these products. I think they work really well. I'm also going to use 2 more products from Zoya that I got in my mystery box after I finish doing my top coat here. Also, just to add about the drying drops, just a kind of a precaution, they are kind of messy, so obviously when you're dripping them onto your nail, it might be good to have, like, I don't know, a paper towel or something underneath, because you Alright, so the top coat looks really nice. It's nice and shiny and dried really well as well. So the last thing I'm actually going to use is this Naked Manicure Hydrating Hand and Body Serum. This is $12 for a 2-ounce bottle. So what you do, spray it on your hand and then like kind of rub it in. I'll just spray it on both. And then you just kind of rub it in everywhere. And it's like a nice light smell. It's not overpowering at all. It dries pretty quick once you rub it in. I'm just gonna kind of rub it in everywhere, around my cuticles and stuff like that. I probably sprayed too much, but I wanted to kind of show you the product. Doesn't leave like any stickiness or anything like that, but it's actually pretty nice. Like I've been using it for a little bit because I wanted to try it, and my hands have been super dry, and so far it's been kind of helping. Like I said, you have to use it a couple of times to actually get it to work, but it absorbs pretty quick, and it's not like a really bad overpowering smell. So once you're done using that, you move on to the Healing Hand and Body Cream. Alright, so the Healing Hand and Body Cream is also $12. So I've already let the serum kind of soak in, and now we're gonna try the cream. It is a little bit on the thicker side, which is good, but it was kind of hard to get it out of the bottle at first. But also it has like a lighter smell, and it kind of absorbs pretty quickly. But yeah, so it's recommended that you use these for a while to see results. But yeah, so I definitely am enjoying all of these products so far. I really like them. I think they worked out well, and I'm going to continue to wear this mani for a little bit, but I'm really happy with all of my purchase, and definitely my mystery box from Zoya. So I hope you liked this type of video. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.